name's Dr. Arora. I'm a GP and an aesthetic doctor. I work for the NHS and I also have my own clinic, The Face Bible. I've been working with FOREO for a while now and I really enjoy my partnership with them. All things skincare, well-being and also skin health is really, really important to the brand and to myself as well. LED therapy is short for light emitting diode therapy, and this is where we use varying wavelengths of light to help trigger healing processes in the skin. Now, depending on the depth at which we're penetrating the skin, we will have a different colour of light and it will therefore correspond to a different skin concern. So for example, we have red light therapy, which is quite popular and common, and that's often used for anti-aging effects. So it helps with reducing fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps with collagen production, so it helps to boost that anti-aging effect. It's also been used in the past to help trigger and repair wound healing, for example. And then we've got blue light therapy, and this is one that's quite popular for oily skin types or blemish-prone acne skin types. And the blue light therapy has shown to potentially help kill the P. acnes bacteria, the bacteria that cause acne on the skin surface, therefore reducing acne and also reducing oil production on the skin, so you've got less oily skin and less blemish-prone skin. Another light that's really, really popular is the green light, and we use that for blemish-prone skin. So where you've got blemishes, age spots or pigmentation, the green light sort of breaks that down and helps to remove that pigmentation from the skin surface. So you've got those three sort of common lights, but there are other light therapies as well that are used for different skin concerns. So since LEDs don't contain UV rays, they are considered a safer form of light therapy. It's also a non-invasive procedure and it carries less risks. Compared to some therapies like laser, for example, there's no risk of burns, so in that form it's a lot safer. Of course, there may be some skin conditions where you cannot use LED light therapy if you're on certain medications, for example, but you should check with your doctor if that's the case. At-home LED devices like the UFO 2 device here are very safe to use at home, and this one in particular is amazing. It uses heating technology, T-sonic wave technology, cooling technology and LED, so light emitting diode therapy, to bring together the most amazing facial that you're probably ever going to experience at home. The device itself is driven by science and it brings together lots of different functions that tailor your skincare. There's lots of different functions in here that I particularly like to use, and I'm going to run through all of those now. So the different functions are thermal therapy. Now this is heat therapy, which helps to loosen dead skin cells on the skin surface, but it also helps with driving in product into the skin. Then we've got cryotherapy, which is cooling therapy, helps to tighten, reduce puffiness, helps to close off your pores and helps to reduce inflammation as well. And then we've got the LED light emitting diode therapy, as we spoke about, and it's full spectrum, so you get all the different colors. And as you mentioned, these different colors correspond to the wavelength at which the light emitting diode therapy is going to hit the skin layers. Okay, so if you've got the red light, it's going to hit at a certain level for obviously collagen production, you've got the green light helping pigmentation, and then you've got blue light therapy that's going to help acne and oily skin as well. And then you've also got the most amazing smart tech device, which is going to use sheet masks to help infuse the ingredients, either the ones that we have from FOREO, which is a lovely selection, or even your own sheet masks, and to help to penetrate those ingredients deeper into the skin so that you get the most out of your smart tech device and the most out of your skincare.